Hey there, welcome. In this quick tutorial, we're going to show you how to turn on comments on YouTube in mobile. It's super easy and we'll make sure you'll get it right. Just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version. Make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything. So let's get started. First, you have to open YouTube app. Now go on upper right corner, click on your channel. Now click on manage videos. Then you have to open your YouTube video. Then click on comment section. Now click on setting icon. Now click on comments. Now turn on all comments. By doing this, you can turn on all the comments on the video. I hope you found value in this video. If you want to grab freebies, want to explore fantastic sample offers and want to get exclusive coupons, spinning and wide range of products from cutting edge gadgets to beauty essential, then watch the video you are seeing on the end screen. Also, please consider showing support by commenting, liking and subscribing to our channel for more reliable content in future.